Hey everybody, welcome to Vlogmas day number 19. Today we are working on getting the outside of the house ready, and I should probably say Rob. Rob's doing a lot of things with the outside, and I am working on making some Christmas presents. Right now, Rob is at Home Depot or Lowe's getting some mulch, and he should be back pretty soon. He's been doing a super job cleaning up the front of the house, making it look oh so nice. Rob lays down all the mulch, and then he sweeps everything up so it looks nice and neat. Then he starts cleaning the outside of the gutters, bleaching them down and scrubbing them all around the house. He takes down my clothesline, and then he cleans up the things in the backyard, on the patio. He removes the pole that the clothesline was attached to, and then he takes off the attachment part so that I can have it when we move. Rob really does a good job taking care of our place. He brought in a chair that was out of the backyard. He checked to see which key worked for the back door. He even brought in a pan that we had out there from cooking some steak. I hope that you enjoyed watching him do a little cleanup and fix up today. There will be more videos like this because he only has a few more days of work in his actual job, so you'll get to see a lot more of Rob. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Tell us the things that you do to get ready to move and make your house more saleable. All right, my friends, I will see you tomorrow. Bye. If you would like to be part of our Christmas card exchange or on our mailing list, please write us or send us a card.